Hey guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Crystal. I do DIYs, hauls, reviews, and much more. And today's video, I just wanted to share this little cute, simple Halloween decoration I did. It was inspired from a Pinterest post that I saw. It wasn't exactly on that particular decor, but I saw it and I was like, oh, I have to recreate this. So if I can find the original post, I will link it down below so you guys can check it out. So if you want to see how I created the video, please keep watching. Okay, so you're gonna need these two small wreath forms and a big one. The big one is actually a wreath form I got at the dollar store and I just cut it to a small ring. You're also going to need items to decorate with, some twine, ribbon, and some hot glue and this creepy cloth that you can get at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just taking the cloth and putting it through the holes in the wreath form, and I'm just kind of playing around with the cloth and making it um, look kind of creepy looking by pulling it and stretching. So you could definitely play around with this and put it to your liking. And that's pretty much it for the cloth part. Now you just want to take your ribbon or your twine and cut it to the desired length that you want and just tie it at the end, or you can glue it together, whichever you prefer. And now you just glue the ribbon to the wreath form so that way the ribbon is not moving around. And just hold it for a few seconds. Now I'm taking the larger wreath form. I do believe you can buy it separately, but I just took a regular wreath form and cut out the extra parts of it. And so I'm just taking ribbon and measuring it to the desired length I want and gluing the rose in the middle. And now I'm just taking my decoration and laying it as I want. I did glue the two separate pieces, and now I'm just taking the twine and wrapping it around and also gluing it so that it will stay in place. Be careful when gluing because you can burn yourself. Here I'm just taking the wire cutter and taking off the excess wire, but then I just decided to bend it because you're not going to be able to see it. Now I'm taking the same ribbon with the rose and I'm gluing the decoration onto the ribbon. And then I'm just going to twist the ribbon around the stem. Now I'm just taking the other pieces of decoration and doing the same process, wrapping the twine around, gluing it, and then also gluing the rest of the decorations onto the ribbon. I did add a lot more glue on the back for the last stem just so that everything would stay in place. And here you're just wrapping it around. You want to arrange it in like a circular shape so that it will be the shape of the wreath. Here I just did the same thing and tied the ends of the cloth to the wreath. And now I'm just going to add some hot glue. But I didn't like that didn't have enough control once it was glued on. So it wasn't as mobile to arrange on the wreath. So I did go back and just used the twine and just tied the stems to the wreath form instead. But you can glue it just to make sure that nothing moves around. I tied the twine in the middle and also two additional places on the side of the wreath form. You won't really be able to see the twine because it's all black, so it just kind of blends in, which is nice. Now I just wanted to add a few more decorative pieces just to make this wreath pop. I did wish I had a larger spider in purple just to bring it out more, but I didn't. So I just used an old spider that I had. I believe I got it at the dollar store. They still may carry it. You could also add lights to this. I think that would look really cool. Now you just want to take your ribbon again to your desired length that you want, and you're going to place it on the top of the wreath and glue it so that it doesn't move around. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Halloween decor tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. I would really love to have you as a follower and hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when my next video will be posted. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Until then, guys, thanks.